First top headlines: Implementations of NRC, withdrawal of SU can bring peace in state, says public. Two teenagers run over by a trend while they were taking selfies on a railway bridge. And curfew relaxed for Imphal East and West till 7 p.m, Vishnupur 6 p.m. today. Hello, welcome to ELITETV, your English news bulletin. I'm your host Deemita. Now the news in detail. Implementations of NRC and a withdrawal of SU can bring peace and harmony in the state. This was stated by public as ELITETV take up an initiative with an objective to know the public opinion in order to bring about peace and harmony in the state. Our team visited different places and met the people of different walks of life. Here is a report from our reporter Rishikesh Naurim and camera person Loya Chungkam.
Manipur da hojik thole berang se karamna warosin porpang ngamgani. Manipur da NRC satna halaga warosin porpang ngamgadra. Kuki militant singi su asi withdraw tawba matamda Manipur da warosin asi porpang ngamgadra. Natraga Manipur gi pre-merger agreement asi chathamana fagadra. Amadi Manipur gi powari da chahi lising ani henbage powari lejaklaba lamdam asida Tongana Tokhaina separate administration Talaliba Sing Asigi, Makugi Pandam separate administration asi Pibana Fagadra, Hariba Wahang Singasi, ELITETVina, Koina Sasaduna, Hangzaraga, Mitsam Miamda, Karim Motley Habagi, Paudum Miam Puna Kamina say. Hoja Hambagi Wang Sing a Chako Imam, the late Ima Hangzage, Ima Hojik say, Akogi Manipur, Sanaleba Manipur, and Haineramiko, Adubo Hojik, Sanaleba Manipur, Sekoi, Mika Minokon and the Leaduga, Lamdamasi, Yumke, Amai Hadokabamadi, Mueka Punsizu Pikamnak. Aduga haukiba me hum dagi hora ngasi phawda numit yankaini hela labasi phawda iran sinimda bago bolaite sidaisida akoi ELITETVina akhana sandokchaba akoi wahang khana hangjage imada akoina hangjani wafamje akoi gi lamdamasida thole birangje kari solution porak laga phagani ada wahang jingjina ne Manipur sida NRC je chana halaga phagadra aduga kuki militant singje Moigi Lajariba Suasi, Lainariba Suasi, Akoi withdraw Toroga Fagadra, Aduga pre-merger agreement asi Loktok Laga pre-merger agreement asi Sanarbamatamda Pagadra, Amadi Loina Loina Manipurgi Puari Sahi Lising Ani Henbagi Puari Lajar Labalam Damasida Makoina Tokhaina separate administration Kangu Natali, Sigi separate administration asi Pitokaga Fagadra, Ado Kari Tarogati Pagani.
Akoi Horok Pache Moina Jungi Tang, Ahumdagi Moina Horok Pane Daily Lagaco. Daily Jabata Pona Moy, Kulai by Vasina Kulai Bok Tangalaga Little Sample the Sepulco. I do get Moina, my day like Sang Togare, my day to my tare, my day Miantale, Natra. I do my Jibe, never chinning up in the Loisianare, Natra. I do my acquaintance with you, Palm City, Cookie Suze, Cookie like Tabon, Benatia, Angago, the Takama, Hida Kangi Mochico. I quite get Jumpang by one metaba, Tengu over that. The lowest state and the Kangde, Jingongia, the Kangde, Paticum, the Dante, Panglay, Pakangu, never Moigo, Lam Laiteva. Adudana, when the Moigi Suja, Dokaka in Manipur, Santi Lakani, Akoigi, NRC, NRC, and Halumbi, Hibagi, Wakak, Tanare, Tanada, Adre, Hibagi, or the Laitreva. Adulating and Moine Iran, Hotel City, Moine Namda Quilam, Jamunia Habaneva. Adu Akoigi, Akoina Tagakiba, Akoigi, Emile Matis in China, Akoigi, Akoig Manipur, Iran chair. Moina Yaring and Tanaba Moina, Namnabo Hanagadabani, Adu Namnaba Dakoina Moibo, could be so a lot of Tagakiba, Natra. Adu the Moing Amoy, the Voice, the Bole Toino. Adu Siminesa, so at this hard hour to Pilla Tape Matam Natria, delete the Moing Namatana Rusova. Center Aduna Dragadunga, Namatana, or the Manipur, separate a Jaraga, Hagadova. Atra. At the Moina Quiggy and Osia Tongana Moina in the Imacada lady, but Namoy the Moy the Hibum to and hide them when a lobby the God, Tonganta Jarage, Toy and tightening to Hakta, quite Tonganta and Lermitana. Adumana Tajag, Hujik, Manipur Santi Lay by Suja talking that. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯅ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯩ ꯀꯥꯞꯄ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯤꯡꯊꯛꯇꯩ ꯀꯥꯞꯊꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯊꯣꯛꯆꯕꯩ ꯋꯥꯅꯦꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯣꯄꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯨ ꯇꯝꯄꯥꯛꯇ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯆꯤꯡꯗ ꯇꯧꯗꯦ ꯆꯤꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏ ꯐꯥꯒꯠꯂꯛꯏꯁꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯕ ꯆꯨꯔꯆꯥꯟꯄꯨꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯨꯀꯤꯅ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯩ ꯀꯥꯞꯊꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯣꯟ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯇꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯖꯨꯝ ꯃꯩ ꯊꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩ ꯁꯔꯥꯎꯟꯗꯤꯡ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩ ꯃꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯜꯂꯒ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯀꯨꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯡꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 4 ꯁꯨꯡꯕ ꯄꯣꯄꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤ ꯊꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯅꯦꯕ CM ꯕꯤꯔꯦꯟꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯡꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯅ ꯄꯣꯄꯤ ꯊꯥꯕ ꯊꯤꯡꯉꯨꯔꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯣꯄꯤꯁꯦ ꯊꯥꯔꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯗꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 4 ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯈꯜꯂꯨꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤ ꯁꯨꯁꯦ ꯍꯟꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤꯗꯤꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁꯥꯟꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯃꯇꯝꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯨꯁꯦ ꯍꯟꯗꯣꯛꯄꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏ ꯊꯥꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯍꯟꯗꯥꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯩ ꯀꯥꯞꯊꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯁꯥ ꯂꯩꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯣ ꯃꯄꯤ ꯃꯄꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯈꯔ ꯈꯪꯕꯤ ꯇꯥꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
NRC ꯆꯠꯅꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯆꯨꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯔꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯐꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯁꯨ NRC ꯆꯠꯅꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯐꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯏꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯃꯛꯇꯗ ꯊꯝꯒꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯨꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯁꯨꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯅꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯏꯟ ꯇꯨ ꯄꯣꯏꯟ ꯁꯨꯗꯒꯤꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯁꯤ ꯀꯝꯗꯧꯅ ꯇꯧꯅꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯔꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯁꯨꯔꯨ ꯅꯩꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯇ ꯇꯤꯜꯂꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯁꯨꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯥꯟꯃꯥꯔꯔꯣꯝꯗꯩ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯇꯥꯟꯊꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯔꯤꯐ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯁꯜꯂꯒ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯝꯂꯦꯟ ꯇꯥꯟꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯄꯔꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯈꯥ ꯇꯝꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯅꯦꯕ ꯀꯅꯥꯝꯇꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯄꯣꯟꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯐꯔꯦ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯔꯖ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯇꯤꯟꯁꯤꯟꯈꯔꯦ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯅꯥꯒꯔꯤꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯔꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯇꯤꯖꯟ ꯑꯃꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯇꯤꯖꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯇꯨꯃꯤꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯪꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯄꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯪꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯟꯁꯔ ꯉꯁꯤꯐꯥꯎ ꯐꯪꯗꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯏꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯔꯁꯅꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯀꯃꯦꯟ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯁꯦꯄꯔꯦꯠ ꯇꯥꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯄꯔꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯁꯨꯡꯉꯝ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯄꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯃꯕ ꯃꯤꯗꯣ ꯀꯣꯟꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯃꯤꯟꯅꯅꯦꯕ
Manipur si loire ibungo khoi kaithen mari leirise pura khuntak laisi bai du oire pura pungtak ta mi amata chatre lambi da mi chatre kaithen da mi chatre tobuda bu khoi ima sungsina kaithen da leirisi di khoi yoli haibadu da mangai re lebi ba mi laktre aduna khoi yam ware Manipur se aduga Manipur da khoi na pamjari se NRC chalan ba pami kuki ki su lokthok ba pami aduga loina na sit humpu sida tara amma khaido khrasu yang khai madi leiridana aduga mapal lamana sonda salaga waroisin gi damakta moi mayam amma chakridana aduna su afaba kai haitare shanti porokpa afaba ama porokpa oisunu aduga lemhauri ba kharasina moi huji kai dauri ge karino makhoi gi tokpham thokpa tawro aduga akhoi gi Manipur se shanti leina amtang leiba pami aduga kanagama mioi kharana akhoi Manipur gi apun bagi saktam jida tongan taba pamjaraga su makhoi mafam amada chalaga tongana tabiru roba khoi Manipur gi sakpham jidi khoi gi leibham jidi map chimdi kahen be su kya yar ba heba se kaithen phambi ima amoina akhoina aina haijari aduga makhoina tawdaba yade tandaba yade haina tawrak taragana oina tawroko do khoi ju dum lan thengna ba tabani ne natro lan khoi huji lan thengna ba nati khoina tawri sidi makhoina lan tawroko to khoina lan ngakjabane ba do lan ngakjaba sida makhoina sum henjalak taragadi akhoi ju karino ima chingji ju ngairi bani akhoina phammi se kaithen phamba nate.
A one-day blood donation camp organized by Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association (MMTA) was held at the office of the association at Minthong today. The camp was held in collaboration with Caesar Hospital and Research Institute Langol and Indian Red Cross Society in Imphal West District. More than 50 blood donors donated blood during the camp. Speaking to media persons, Honorary Secretary of the Association M. Kumar said the main objective for organizing the blood donation camp is to meet the blood shortage for casualties in the present war of integrity of the motherland, Manipur.
Mi tara kun mukti laktana koi reporting haujare maru oina koi ngasi I pizabagi maram si miam hen khangbi baduni mioi bada isona pibirak pa gift from akaglai laira ba ina kunba natraga madu magi dharma karma gi wafam mayam se thado khrakanda mioi khara khaktana tana mi khudi makta matik chana koi da yawram base koi gi blood sine haribal blood sings si koi da remain oina stock tawraga dum laibagi mahuta award pa mi singda masigi deficiency oiba darkar oiba mi singsida blood piba haibasina koi miobagi mankind da khwaidagi chawba mating lehne lojai loina loina na ngasi Manipur da lagiba koigi territorial integrity kaidana wa hunaba state sigi Imali paksi mapum oina thamnana bagi lanjangda thengnariba lanthing sidaida hawaina pontha pikiba mayam ama aso panangdiba mayam ama hariba mayam sidaida igi darkar oiba award pasing se sidaida Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association, Loina Red Cross, Indian Red Cross Society, Imphal West District branch ki volunteers sing sina piba isina miyam da khara da orgasu igi award pa se mateng pangbo oisno haiba wafam se loina na si sumaina koi leiriba tangdu leita da ba leipak sigi oiba hojil jik chathariba koi da yamna uncertainty oiba sigumla ba thorong singa se asi yamna thuba da loisan biduna sorgi thawjan dagi ing ta pahana gi punchi mahing da muglak bo oisno haiba wafam the Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association, Loina Indian Red Cross Society, Imphal West District branch ki mai degi no look check.
As the law and order situation has been improved gradually in Imphal East and West districts, curfew has been relaxed till 7 p.m. in both districts today. However, in Bishnupur district, curfew has been relaxed till 6 p.m. today. Markets and shops were open during the curfew relaxation in the three districts. People rushed to market and shops to purchase essential items during curfew relaxation. Traffic was seen as normal as before on the roads. Two teenagers aged 16 and 19 were run over by a train while they were taking selfies on a railway bridge in Rocky town of Uttarankhand's Haridwar. The accident occurred on Saturday evening. The teenagers died on the spot after they were knocked down by the Delhi-Dehradun Shatabdi Express when they were taking selfies on the Dosni railway bridge. Between 2011 and 2022, 69,303 Indians surrendered their passports at Regional Passport Office as per RTI reply received by the Indian Express. 8 states, union territories that accounted for 90% of people who surrendered passports include Goa 40.45%, Punjab, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Delhi and Chandigarh. Over 16 lakh Indians renounced citizenship in last 10 years, government said. And now let's take a short break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman, Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
Diabetes ka loina na hinglibusing tha amagi manungda fahanba ngamle. Khong hamba nungai tabasu numit mangani gi manungda fahanba ngamle. Piles haibadi nungsang na basu chama da chama fahanba ngamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oina lehenba ngamle. BP wangbasu tha amagi manungda normal da lehenba ngamle. Pumnamak natural oiba anoba hidak makal singna laying jabani. Haksang da sokadaba side effect amata leite. Makatana hidak chabagi mathausu tararoi. Akopa moral gidamak ngasi maglengsin birau Diabetes Hospital, Jennings Road near Punjab National Bank, Porompat.
Admission open, admission open. Manipur ki mapanda chatrabasu yaraba best quality education ga loinana Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science pangai. Manipur University da affiliated tauba Indian Nursing Council amadi Pharmacy Council of India na recognized tauraba college asida chaliba academic session asigi akagnaba sit masingi admission housere. Coursing adudi BSc Nursing, Diploma in Pharmacy, Bachelor of Pharmacy, BSc Forensic Science, BSc Radiology and Imaging Technology, BSc RIT, BSc Medical Laboratory Technology, BSc MLT, amadi BSc Operation Theatre Technology Operation, BSc OTT, hariba coursing asigi scholarship ki kudong saba su pangbigani, amadi meritorious students singi oiba tongan ba kudong saba mayam amalegani. Akopo morol gidama 9856575163. College address Pangai opposite MPTC da lengbidaktuna ngasimak kudong saba silowiu. Admission open, admission open. Kosem da affiliate tauraba Oripo Kochnam Lekai Kangsup Road Leiba Competitive Success Academy gi academic session 2023-24 gi class 11 science ki admission housere. School asi experience oiraba maming leiraba oza singna satra satri singbo takpi tambiri. ISSE 2023 mai pak ngamrakraba satra satri singbo. School asi ki maikei dagi nungai ba phongdorakle. Admission fee hana lupa lising tara oiramba adu leiba ki irang na kudong sadaba singi yenglaga lupa lising mga khaktamak oiragani. Adum oinamak relief camp to leiba satra singi oina lemna mahitambagi kudong saba su pizari. Special features ta medical amadi engineering tamningba satra singi su kudong saba kaya ama pizari. Audio visual class, biometric attendance system, asonba satra singi oiba extra class, separate hostels for boys and girls, bus amazung van service ki kudong saba pizari. Nasibag lengsin biro Competitive Success Academy, Uripo Kochnam Lekai, Imphal.
40 years of trusted diagnostic service, Babina Diagnostics.
Welcome back again. You're watching ELITETV's English News. Reacting sharply to Union Home Minister Amit Shah's assurance that he would take charge of prevailing situation in the Hill District, while Chief Minister N. Biren would handle the situation in the Valley Districts, the All Manipur United Clubs organization AMUCO has asserted that the Union Home Minister's arrangement is a clear testimony of setting up two or more separate administration in Manipur, albeit tacitly. Expressing strong reservation against certain statements made by Union Home Minister on several occasions with regard to the prevailing crisis, AMUCO decried that the government of India has been playing communal politics and divisive games all along while conveniently overlooking the real causes of the present crisis. Amit Shah's statement and actions have made it clear that he has no intention to resolve the crisis anytime soon, AMUCO said. For a very long time, the government of India was acting as a silent spectator to all kinds of extreme violence and mayhem unleashed by Kuki militants in blatant violations of the Sioux ground rules. The government of India was acting mute and blind by the unprovoked aggressive aggressions launched by Kuki militants from Myanmar who are not party to the Sioux Pact, according to a statement issued by AMUCO. Amit Shah is the Union Home Minister of the whole of India, and as such, he should not just choose to oversee the affairs only in the hills of Manipur. He should take the responsibility of solving the crisis in the whole of Manipur, said the Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity Kokomi yesterday. This statement of Kokomi came after Chief Minister N. Biren Singh briefed the media about the meeting he had in Delhi with Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Briefing the media, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh had reportedly said that the Union Minister had advised him to oversee the situation or solve the issues of the the valley, while he, Amit Shah, will take the responsibility of overseeing the situation in the hills to bring peace. Reacting to this, the Coordinating Committee of Manipur Integrity Kokomi said dividing the valley and the hills and splitting of the responsibilities is not the right path to bring peace in Manipur. The Union Home Minister must have given the advice on a positive note to end the crisis, but it has created unrest and confusion among the people. This ambiguity has made public questions the intention of the government. The public have started asking whether this arrangement is a precursor to the possible creations of a separate administration within Manipur, said Kokomi. DM College of Science Alumni Association has urged authorities concerned to trace the whereabouts of Atom Somarendro Apik and Yumkhai Kiran of Khumbong Bajar, who are missing since May 6. A. Somarendro is a member of the DM College of Science Alumni Association 1995-98 batch. He served during the COVID-19 pandemic as a frontline warrior, delivering essential items and medicine to affected people in different areas of hills and valley. He also worked as sub-editor of the Shanghai Express with dedication and secretary of the Imphal Students Club, Khumbong. Both Somarendro and Kiran were active members of the Khumbong Club, working with dedications for bringing development in the region. They were social workers and enthusiasts who encouraged children to study and pursue sports, said the Alumni Association. The association urged authorities and groups concerned to consider the grief and pain of the family members and urged them to trace the whereabouts of the two persons. Manipur Governor Anushya Uke called on President of India Draupadi Murmu at the Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi on Monday evening and apprised her about the prevailing situation in Manipur. A release by the Raj Bhavan stated that the governor briefed the president about various incidents which was taken place in the state and discussed improving the situation to restore peace and normalcy. She apprised the president about her visits to the various relief camps in Imphal, Bishnupur and Churachandpur districts, at which she interacted with the displaced victims, it mentioned. It maintained that the governor also informed the president about the steps taken up by the union and state government to provide relief material to the displaced people. Issues relating to resettlement or rehabilitation of violence-affected people and education of students were also discussed in the meeting, it added. Two more persons died in the last 24 hours, even as the flood situation across Assam has seen a marginal improvement. With this, the death toll in the flood this year has risen to 5. According to Assam State Disaster Management Authority, ASDMA report issued on Monday, a total of 1 crore 5,05,896 people are still affected in 11 districts of the state. The flood-affected districts of Assam are Bajli, Baksha, Barpeta, Darang, Dibrugarh, Golaghat, Kamrup, Lakhimpur, Nagaon, Nalbari and Tumulpur. The two deceased persons hailed from Barpeta district, the ASDMA report said. Altogether, 563 villages in 23 avenue circles continue to reel under waters. Barpeta is the worst affected district with 87,232 people still affected, following by Bazali with 44,617 people and Lakhimpur with 17,086 people still under the flood. The authorities are running 99 relief camps and distribution centers in 8 districts where 2,915 people are currently seeking shelter. A total crop area of 3,801.63 hectares continue to be under flood waters, the ASDMA said. On the other hand, no river is currently flowing above the danger level. National Security Advisor Ajay Doval met the top leadership of Oman yesterday and discussed ways to strengthen and bolster cooperation in economy, technology, security and regional stability. During his official visit to Oman, NSA called on Sultan Hatim bin Tariq and delivered a personal message of greetings from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He also held wide-ranging discussions with Minister of the Royal Office General Sultan bin Muhammad Al Nomani, the Foreign Minister of the Sultanate of Oman Syed Badar bin Hamad Al Busaidi. According to the External Affairs Minister, the visit of Mr. Doval reflects a strong bilateral relationship between India and Oman and highlights India's commitment to strengthening its strategic partnership with Oman. The visit provided an opportunity for high-level engagement and further cemented the strong bonds of friendship between India and the Sultanate of Oman. A syndicate of 569 fake firms used for passing of fraudulent tax credits of 1,047 crore has been busted in Delhi, the finance minister said. Directorate General of GST Intelligence busted the syndicate, which was operating in 14 states and had issued invoices worth over rupees 6,022 crore to over 2,000 beneficiary firms. Delhi-based 30-year-old Rasib Jain was the syndicate's mastermind. Assam Chief Minister Hemanta Biswa Sarma has advised the medical fraternity not to use tools like ChatGPT immediately. To treat a person with the help of ChatGPT, you will need some kind of legal sanctions because it may lead to some problems, Sarma added. He further said that he also uses the tool sometimes but doesn't always get the desired result. And now let's take a short break again. Stay tuned for more updates.
Admission open. Manipur University Kanchipur gi manakta leba Temple of Learning Toll amasung Temple of Learning Degree College ki 2023-2024 gi admission tawjari. 11 class Science, Arts amasung Commerce. Degree College gi na General Course ta BA amasung BSc, Professional Degree Course ta BBA amasung BCA ni. CCTV camera na monitor tawraba classroom amadi campus matik charaba playground, well equipped tawraba Science, Arts amasung laboratory taret. Lising kaya gi larik leraba library ahum, quality education bu pamjaba mahiroy Mama Mapa amasung guardian singna athubada mingchan bihau sit akaknabani selection test leiroi ahan lakpada kudong sab pizegani agopa marol office dagi mobile website amadi online kuthang dagi phangbigani.
Admission open, R&T Institute and Aviation Academy ke Lakatori Session 2023-24 ke admission Hausare Institute as the Ministry of Corporate Affairs Government of India well recognized Tauraba amati 5-year service complete oiraba Manipur da amatangairaba Air Hostess Training Institute amani class 12 pass Tauraba Mahairoi Singna tungi afaba career amati aviation industry da changningba singna mingchan biba yaragani male and female punna apply toba yaraba 10 to 15 years flying experience lairaba trainer singna train tauriba 100 plus students placement pikraba institute asida tongan ba course singi khudong chaba leijari course sing atudi international air hostess training, airport operation and staff training, ground handling loina soft skill, career counseling, interview skill, spoken English and Hindi, grooming, guest lecturer session, resume making, mock interview, service classes, first aid, interview preparation, Zumba class, swimming class amati, airport visits, institute asiki staff single loinana placement assistance ki damag infal amati atopa state sing the su khudong chaba pizari khudong chaba sing asiki damag 12 standard loiraba students singna institute asida lakpiduna akupa marol tanabiu amati online inquiry ki damag contact number asida call tawbiduna tanabiu 7005970470 natraga 8132092225
SS Career Solution na Chahitara Hena Kunai Sida Ladiba Naharol Singbu Achumba Sinfam Mama Kangjana Bagi Kudong Jaba du Mapung Fana Pina Bagi Damak Specialized Oiraba Tim Kaya Semdona Angang Singbu na Ringay Dagi Koiga Jana ba Sinfam Gimaramda Sing na Mari Makong Takto na Afaba Kunayama Oirak na Bahona Duna nga Sifawala Career Solution Amagi Chapchana Guidance Tiba Haibasi Arriba Dinate Adubu Iburgidi Toina Nungsa Tiningai Oitre SS Career Solution na Akak Naba Plan Amadi Expertise Singa Putsinduna Sacha Kagnatana Community Level Dagi Hauraga Adom Gi Paidagi Chanaba Sinfamadu Mai Pak na Chatna Naba Same Sagani Aikuigi Mamalyam Laba Naha Singbu Tungge Chumalambela Madalam Jing Haurasi SS Career Solution na Piriba Kudong Chaba Singasi Kopna Kanta Haurasi
Welcome back again. You're watching ELITETV's English News. The World Economic Forum (WEF) has released a list of 2023's top 10 emerging technologies that are most likely to impact people and the planet in 3 to 5 years. The list includes wearable plant sensors, sustainable aviation fuels, sustainable computing, generative AI, and AI in healthcare. Metaverse for mental health, flexible batteries, and a flexible neural electronics are some of the other emerging technologies. Monsoon has covered nearly 80% of the country as most of the parts are witnessing heavy rainfall. The India Meteorological Department (IMD) has forecast that the active monsoon conditions are likely to continue over East Central, Northwest and West India during the next 4 days. According to IMD, the southwest monsoon advanced with some more parts of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana and Punjab yesterday. Conditions are favorable for further advance of southwest monsoon into some more parts of Gujarat, Rajasthan and remaining parts of Haryana and Punjab by tomorrow. IMD has predicted heavy to very heavy rainfall over East Rajasthan during the next 3 days. Heavy to very heavy rainfall is likely in Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh. The Met Department said Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Vidarbha region will witness light and a moderate rainfall with isolated heavy rainfall. Isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall is likely over Kerala and Mahe today. India summoned a senior diplomat of the Pakistan High Commission in New Delhi and lodged a strong protest against the recent attacks on Sikh community members in Pakistan. Sources said 4 incidents have taken place between April and June this year and India has taken serious note of these incidents. Sources said India has demanded the Pakistani authorities investigate these violent attacks on Sikh community with sincerity and shared investigation reports. It has also been conveyed that Pakistan should ensure the safety and security of its minorities who live in constant fear of religious persecutions. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will flag off 5 Vande Bharat Express trains at Rani Kamlapati Railway Station in Madhya Pradesh today. The 5 trains are Bhopal Rani Kamlapati Indore Vande Bharat Express, Bhopal Rani Kamlapati Jabalpur Vande Bharat Express, Ranchi Patna Vande Bharat Express, Dharwad Bengaluru Vande Bharat Express and Madgaon Mumbai Vande Bharat Express. Bhopal Indore Vande Bharat Express will facilitate easy and fast travel between 2 important cities of Madhya Pradesh and will improve the connectivity of the cultural, tourist and religious places in the region. Bhopal Jabalpur Vande Bharat Express will connect Muhakoshal region to the central region of the Madhya Pradesh. Also, tourist places in the region will also be benefited by improved connectivity. Ranchi Patna Vande Bharat Express will be the first Vande Bharat for Jharkhand and Bihar. Enhancing connectivity between Patna and Ranchi, the train will be a boon for the tourists, students and businessmen. Dharwad Bengaluru Vande Bharat Express will connect Dharwad and Hambali with Karnataka's capital Bengaluru. It will immensely benefit tourists, students and industrialists in the region. Madgaon Mumbai Vande Bharat Express will be Goa's first Vande Bharat Express. It will run between Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus and Goa's Madgaon station and help in boosting tourism in both Goa and Maharashtra. In a tweet, Mr. Modi said these trains will improve connectivity in Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Goa, Bihar and Jharkhand. The Prime Minister will also interact with the BJP workers in Bhopal during the visit. In football, India will take on Kuwait in the last Group A game of the SAF Championship at the Sri Kantirava Stadium in Bengaluru today. The match will begin at 7:30 p.m. Indian time. Both sides, with 6 points apiece, have already qualified for the semi-finals and will face off to determine the Group A topper. Nepal and Pakistan are the other rivals of the Group A. India has been largely impressive in the tournament, defeating Pakistan 4-0 and Nepal 2-0 to maintain a clean sheet so far. Kuwait trounced Pakistan 4-0 and Nepal 3-1 in their group matches. Nepal will take on Pakistan in the other Group A fixture today. The game will begin at 3:30 p.m. Indian time. From Group B, Lebanon and Bangladesh registered wins in the second games on Sunday to keep the semi-final qualifications hopes alive. The ICC has shared a picture of the ODI World Cup trophy in space. The ICC sent the trophy to the space for launching the ICC Men's Cricket World Cup Trophy Tour 2023. The trophy was launched into the stratosphere 1,20,000 feet above the Earth through a stratospheric balloon before making a landing at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad. For ELITETV News Channel, connect to the email address info@elitetv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now let's take a look at the headlines once again. Implementations of NRC withdrawal of SU can bring peace in state, says public. Two teenagers run over by a train while they were taking selfies on the railway bridge. And the curfew relaxed for Imphal in the west till 7 p.m., Bishnupur till 6 p.m. today. And that's all for now. For more updates, keep watching ELITETV English News. Thank you and have a great day.